In this tutorial, we will learn how to terminate an EC2 instance in AWS. From the AWS Management Console, navigate to EC2 Dashboard. At present we have one running instance, one volume, one key pairs and two security groups that we have created in earlier tutorials. Click on Running Instances. Let's open it in New tab. Locate the EC2 instance that you want to terminate from the list of instances. Click on the checkbox next to the instance to select it. You can select multiple instances if you want to terminate more than one at a time. With the instance selected, click on the Instance State drop-down menu and select Terminate Instance. A confirmation dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the termination of the instance, and it states that the root EBS will also be deleted and storage will be lost, which is OK for us. Review the information in the dialog box to ensure that you are terminating the correct instance. If you are sure you want to terminate the instance, click on the Terminate button. Once you confirm the termination, AWS will begin the termination process for the selected instance. You can monitor the termination progress in the EC2 dashboard. The instance will be marked as shutting down and then eventually terminated when the process is complete. The terminated instance will no longer appear in the list of instances. Optionally, you may want to clean up any associated resources or configurations related to the terminated instance, such as security groups, EBS volumes, or snapshots. Review your AWS account to ensure that no unwanted resources remain. Let's refresh EC2 dashboard and we see list of running instances is now 0, EBS is 0. Key pairs and security groups remained unaffected. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.